Martinique is a French territorial island located in the Lesser Antilles. In this video, we're going to show you the excursion called Jardin de Balata, or Botanical Gardens, and it's with the Enchanted Princess. But I'm sure if you're on another cruise ship, it's basically the same excursion. So let's get started. Your excursion ticket should tell you right where to go, but we went right outside of the dock area, and there was someone holding a sign, and then we had to wait for our bus to be ready. And then we boarded the bus and took a short 20-minute drive out to the gardens, where we got to see lots of old buildings and structures along the way. Out of all the islands we visited on this cruise, this island definitely had the most infrastructure. We did make a very quick stop with a beautiful overlook at the Church of Sacré-Cœur. It was built in the 1920s and is a mini replica of the Sacré-Cœur found in Paris, France. We took this cruise a week after Christmas, so they still had the Nativity on display. A quick drive from the church, you know you're getting close when everything starts to turn lush and green. In 1982, Jean-Philippe Thos, who was a horticulturalist, a landscape gardener, and artist, returned to his grandparents' house and built this botanical garden. Right as you enter the garden, you're greeted with these cute purple-throated Carib hummingbirds. There is a nice path that you can take at your leisure and view the gardens. I love flowers, so I took lots of flower pictures. A fun thing to do there that was included in your admission is the treetop trail. My kids really enjoyed it, and the access conditions are you have to be at least 8 years or older, you have to be 43 inches or taller, and you can't weigh more than 242 pounds. 2 people are allowed each platform at a time. We had to wait in a pretty long line. It did move pretty quickly, but just make sure you allot yourself enough time if you're planning to do it. You really get some amazing views of Fort-de-France Bay from up here. You get about 2 hours here, which is plenty of time to walk the gardens, do the treetop walk, and then we had enough time to buy souvenirs in their gift shop before heading back to the port. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And until next time, adventures are out there. Are you? Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.
Adventures are out there. Come join us on this ride. From the Grand Canyon's majesty to the mountains high. With every mile we travel, in the beauty we will find. God's creations all around, so wondrous and so kind.